Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. It's none other than the sea moss from Red's kitchen sink. Let's explore what makes this product stand out. Sea moss, also known as Irish moss, is a type of red algae found along the Atlantic coasts of Europe, North America, and the Caribbean islands. It's celebrated for its rich nutrient profile and versatility in culinary and wellness practices. This specific sea moss product is wildcrafted in St. Lucia, ensuring it's 100% natural and packed with goodness. It's endorsed with a nod to Dr. Sebi, renowned for his advocacy of natural healing through plant-based diets. Harvested sustainably from the pristine waters of St. Lucia, ensuring purity and quality. Loaded with essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, vital for supporting overall health. Whether you're blending it into smoothies, using it in skincare routines, or even incorporating it into soups and sauces, this sea moss offers endless possibilities. One of the best parts about this product is how easy it is to prepare. Just a few simple steps, and you've got a nutrient-dense sea moss gel ready to enhance your daily routine. Blend until smooth, and voila! You have a gel that can be stored and used conveniently whenever you need it. While there are other sea moss options out there, what sets this apart is not just its quality but also its affordability. Priced competitively, it offers exceptional value without compromising on purity or potency. So, whether you're looking to boost your health regimen or explore natural skincare alternatives, this sea moss from Red's kitchen sink promises to deliver. Don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself and experience the difference. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.